Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to edit your profile on the Spotify application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, tap on the home icon down below, which is the first option. And now you should tap on the settings icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Now you should click on the view profile icon at the top, which is the first option. And here click on edit profile. Now you can add the profile picture by tapping on this icon in the middle of the screen. You can either choose a picture from your library or you can take a photo with your phone by clicking on the take photo icon. And if you have already added a picture as your profile picture and you would like to remove it and change it, you need to press this third button, remove current photo. Then if you scroll down, you're going to see at the bottom that you can change your name by clicking on this your name box and typing in your new name. Then if you are done with adding all these information about yourself and would like to change them, click on the save button in the upper right corner of the screen, thereby updating your profile. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.